Okay, we're gonna start with initial contact, so go into it. All right, we have isometric hip extensors, eccentric knee extensors, and isometric ankle dorsiflexors. Our hips will be about 20 degrees flexed, knees around 5 degrees, and then ankles and toes will be 0 degrees flexed. Moving into loading response, we have concentric hip extensors, eccentric knee extensors, and eccentric ankle dorsiflexors. Hips at 20 degrees flexed, knees 15 degrees, ankles 5 degrees, and toes are 0 degrees in flexion. And then into mid stance.
Wait, is this mid stance?
Yes. We have eccentric hip extensors, isometric hip abductors, and eccentric ankle plantar flexors. Our hips are at 0 degrees flexed, knees 5 degrees, ankles 5 degrees, dorsiflexion, and toes 0 degrees. Now into terminal stance. We have eccentric hip flexors, concentric ankle plantar flexors, and our hips are at 20 degrees of extension, knees are 5 degrees of flexion, ankles are 10 degrees of dorsiflexion, and then toes are about 30 degrees of MTP extension. Now into pre-swing, we have concentric hip flexors and concentric hip or ankle plantar flexors. We have about 10 degrees of hip extension, 40 degrees of knee flexion, and ankle plantar flexors are about 15 degrees, and then toes are 6 degrees of MTP extension. Now into initial swing, we have concentric hip flexors and concentric ankle dorsiflexors. Hips are 15 degrees of flexion, knees are 60 degrees flexion, ankles are 5 degrees plantar flexion, and toes are 0 degrees. Now into mid swing, we have concentric hip extensors prepping for that landing, isometric ankle dorsiflexors. Our hips are at 25 degrees of flexion, knees 25 degrees of flexion, and ankles and toes are 0 degrees. And then into terminal swing, we have eccentric hip extensors, eccentric hamstrings, and isometric ankle dorsiflexors. Our hips are at 20 degrees flexion, knees 5 degrees flexion, and ankles and toes are at 0 degrees. And then that's just prepping for your initial contact.